Hello students, in my previous video we have started introduction to trigonometry and we gone through the formula for sine A, cos A, tan A, cosecant, secant and cot, and we saw some examples. Where we stopped, no, from there we are going to start now. This is the problem where we are going to start here. In OPQ, right angled at P, we have 90 degrees at the vertex P, and OP, the distance OP is given as 7 centimeter, and they have given a relation connecting OQ and PQ. OQ minus PQ is 1 centimeter. We are going to find what is sine Q and cos Q. Even in the problem itself, they have given this diagram. Triangle OQP, in that OP is 7 centimeter and we have 90 degrees at the vertex P. Using this, we have to find what is sine Q and cos Q. What are the things given? OP equal to 7 centimeter and OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. Using Pythagoras theorem, from this right angle triangle OPQ, what is the relation we have? Hypotenuse squared is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Therefore, we have OQ squared is equal to QP squared plus PO squared. Or we can say this as PQ squared. OQ squared is equal to PQ squared plus OP squared. This one, PO and OP are same and QP and PQ are same. So we can check this one. Okay, so from Pythagoras theorem, we have OQ squared is equal to PQ squared plus OP squared. From that, we know only OP. Okay, the other two terms we don't know, but we have a relation connecting OQ and PQ. Am I right? So from that, this is the relation. No, from that we are going to find what is OQ. Take this to the other side, 1 plus PQ. So from the Gribben relation, we are getting OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. We are going to substitute this here. Okay, so that is we are getting 1 plus PQ the whole squared is equal to PQ squared plus OP squared. Okay, using the formula A plus B the whole squared, which is equal to A squared plus B squared plus 2AB, we can expand this term. In the place of A we have 1, in the place of B we have PQ. So 1 squared plus PQ the whole square plus 2 into 1 into PQ equal to PQ squared plus OP squared. OP is 7, so 7 squared. PQ the whole square and PQ squared we can cancel both in the left side as well as right side. If you are not able to do this, means you better take this to the other side. So when it comes here, already we have PQ squared in the left side, minus when it comes to the other side, it will become minus. So PQ squared minus PQ squared, it is 0. Okay, directly if you are able to cancel it. Otherwise, take that to the other side, then you can cancel it. So after cancellation, what we have is 1 squared is 1 plus 2PQ equal to 7 squared is 49, which implies 2PQ is equal to 49 minus 1, it is 48. Therefore, PQ is equal to 48 by 2, it is 24. So, PQ we are getting as 24. What is the relation connecting OQ and PQ? OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ, which is 1 plus PQ we got as 24. So, which is 25 now. So, we got all the three sides. This is given in the problem itself. Now we are getting, this is 1 plus 24, it is 25 centimeter. This is 24 now we got, and this is 25 we got. Now come to the formula for sine Q. This is angle Q. Am I right? So where we are having vertex Q, no, there only we have to take the angle Q. Sine Q means opposite side by hypotenuse. What is our opposite side? OP by OQ, that is 7 by 25. So OP by OP by OQ, OP by OQ, which is 7 by 25. And what is cos Q? Adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is PQ by OQ. So 24 by 25. 24 by 25. Is it clear? Come to the next problem. In triangle ABC, we have right angle at B. So here we have 90 degrees and AB, the distance AB is given 5 centimeter, and this angle is also given. This angle is 30 degrees. We are going to find the other two lengths, AC and BC. BC and AC we are going to find. Okay, so this angle is given and they have mentioned at B we have 90 degrees. So it is a right angle triangle, and using this degree given, we have to find the other two sides. If two sides are given, since it is a right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. But here not two sides given. One side is given and the other angle is given. So using the trigonometric functions, what we learned in the previous problems, we have to use that and we have to find the other two sides. Okay. What is the angle given? The angle given is 30 degrees. Okay. So now what we are going to find is the angle is at the vertex C. Am I right? So we are going to find what is tan C. Tan C is equal to, what is the formula? Tan C is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB, adjacent side is BC. Am I right? Tan C, and C angle is given, that is 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side AB, the value is given 5 by BC. What is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. For doing such kind of problems, you have to study the values what we saw in that table. This table we saw, no, I have explained this table in the previous video. So you have to study this table. So wherever it is necessary, you have to substitute the corresponding values. So here now we are going to take this tan 30 value, that is 1 by root 3. After substitution, we can calculate. Okay. So tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, that we are going to take here. So 1 by root 3 is equal to 5 by BC. We are in need of BC, so take that to this side, bring this root 3 to this side. Therefore, BC is equal to 5 into root 3. Is it clear up to this 5 root 3? So we got BC as 5 root 3. So what we have to find now? We have to find the other side, AC. For calculating AC, we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. For calculating AC, we can use Pythagoras theorem, but here it is not necessary. Since the angle 30 is given, no, using that angle, we can find what is this side. This side is hypotenuse. Either I can use cos formula, since cos is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, or sine formula, because already we got this adjacent side value, 5 root 3 we got, no. So any one we can use. I'm going to take sine. Okay, so sine 30, sine C is equal to, what is the formula? Opposite side by adjacent, opposite side by hypotenuse. So AB by AC. AB by AC. C value it is given. What is C given? C is 30. So sine 30 degrees is equal to, AB already we know, 5 by AC. What is sine 30? Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2, which we are going to substitute here. So 1 by 2 is equal to 5 into AC. We need AC, so multiply here. You have to multiply this to the other side. Therefore, AC equal to 5 into 2, which is 10 centimeter. Is it clear? For this we can do in the another way also, because adjacent side is no. So using the cos formula we can do it. Cos C is equal to, the adjacent side is BC, BC by AC. So BC by AC. What is C value? 30. So cos 30 is equal to, BC is 5 root 3 by AC. What is cos 30 value? cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay. So we have to substitute root 3 by 2 here. Root 3 by 2 is equal to 5 root 3 by AC. Okay, so AC only we want. So bring that to the other side. Take all the other terms to the right side. So 2 will come in the numerator by root 3. Root 3 will get cancelled. 5 into 2, it is 10. So AC is equal to 10 centimeter. In both the cases, we are getting the same thing. So any one you can use. Is it clear? The next problem what we have is in triangle PQR, right angled at the angle Q. Okay, so here we have right angle and PQ is given as 3 centimeter and PR is given as 6 centimeter, and we are going to find what is angle QPR. We are going to find what is this angle, and PRQ. We are going to find what is this angle. In some problems they will give the diagram, in some problems they won't give the diagram. So from the given data, what they have given, you have to take a triangle PQR, and from the degree you start. Where we have right angle at Q. So you definitely you have to take this point as Q, and they have given PQ as 3 and PR as 6, right? So PQ is smaller and PR is greater. So obviously PR is the hypotenuse. So this is my 6 centimeter, means I can take the points P and this is P and R. Okay, so this is the greatest value 6 and this is 3. Okay, so if it is not given means you have to draw the diagram and we have to start the solution. If it is given means no problem, it is quite easy, your work is quite easy. From the diagram given you can start your solution. Is it clear? So here two sides are given, one angle they have mentioned as 90 degrees. We have to find the other two angles. Okay, these two angles. So given PQ3 and PR6. Okay, we are going to find what is sine R. What is the formula for sine R? Opposite side by adjacent side. What is my opposite side? 3 by, I'm telling repeatedly opposite by adjacent, that is wrong actually. Opposite side by hypotenuse. I'm showing correctly, but when I say I'm telling wrongly, don't take that. For sine we have the formula opposite side by hypotenuse. So 3 by 6. 3 by 6. On simplification we are getting 1 by 2. In sine, where we are having 1 by 2, sine of 30 degrees having 1 by 2. So obviously when we get 1 by 2, it is sine 30. Sine 30 only having 1 by 2. Am I right? Therefore we got R as 30 degrees. So this answer we got as 30 degrees from the given data. We have to find the other one. What is the other one? This one we have to calculate, right? You know, sum of the angles, sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to what? Is equal to 180 degrees. Am I right? So this is a property of a triangle, right? In that one angle is known, 90 degrees. The other one now we got, that is 30 degrees. The third angle, this angle we don't know, equal to 180. So 90 plus 30 plus unknown angle equal to 180. 90 plus 30 is 120. Therefore this angle, that is angle P. Angle P is equal to 180 minus 120. So angle P is equal to 180 minus 120, which is equal to 60 degrees. So this is 60 degree. So 60 plus 90, 150. 150 plus 30, 180. Okay. Is it clear? Moving on to the next one. If sine of a minus b is half, cos of a plus b is half, and AB lies between 0 and 90, and A is greater than B, we are going to find what is A and what is B. Okay, so where we have half in sine 30 is half, and where we have half in cos 60 is half. So sine 30, in the place of sine 30 we are having half, in the place of cos 60 we are having the value half. So that means this is 30 degrees and this is 60 degrees. Am I right? And what is the condition they have given? Summing A plus B should be a value which is greater than 0 and lesser than 90. Obviously, when we take A plus B, 60 means it is a value greater than 0 and lesser than 90. This is correct, right? But after calculating A and B, we have to make sure that A is greater than B. Okay, if A is greater than B means A minus B is the value which is greater than 0. That after calculating we will check. Okay, so given sine of A minus B is half. Okay, since we have sine 30 as 1 by 2, we are getting A minus B as 30 degrees. Take this as equation number 1. Okay, next, given cos of A plus B as half, where we are having half in cos 60 degrees. So A plus B as 60. Take this as equation number 2. So 1 implies A minus B is 30, 2 implies A plus B as 30. We are going to add. So B and B will get cancelled. A plus A, 2A. 2A is equal to 90. So A is equal to 90 by 2, that is 45 degrees. After getting A, we have to substitute that in any one equation and easily we can find what is B. What is A minus B? A minus B is equal to 30. So 1 implies A we got as 45. No, 45 minus B is 30. So B is equal to, B will come this side, 30 will come this side. So B is equal to 50 degrees. So A is equal to 30 degrees and B is equal to 15 degrees. Is it clear? The next problem what we have is we are going to express the ratios cos A, tan A, secant A in terms of sine A. So everything in terms of sine we are going to represent. One important result we have do you remember that? Sine squared A plus cos squared A is always equal to 1. Okay, so we are going to represent cos in terms of sine. So keep cos in the left side. Okay, so cos squared A equal to 1 minus sine squared A, which implies we need only cos A. So cos A equal to plus or minus root of 1 minus sine squared A. When we take the square root on both sides, this term will become cos A. When we take the square root here, we have to take plus sign and minus sign. Correct? So cos A we have represented in terms of sine. Next come to tan A. Tan A, what is the formula? Sin A by cos A, which is equal to sin A by, now only we got cos A value. What is cos A? Root of 1 minus sine squared A. Plus or minus, I am taking only the plus value. So tan A also we have represented in terms of sine. So this is over. The last one, secant A. Secant A is equal to what? 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A we have represented in terms of sine as root of 1 minus sine squared A. So this is the relation for secant A in terms of sine A. So we have represented this two. So we have represented cos A in this format, tan A in this format, and secant A here. In this problem, we are going to prove secant A into 1 minus sine A, secant A plus tan A is equal to 1. Okay, so we have to take the left side and we have to get the right side. So secant A, LH is equal to, secant A is nothing but 1 by cos A. It is the inverse of cos, right? and in the numerator just I am taking 1 minus sine A. This also I am going to rewrite the terms like secant A as 1 by cos A, tan A as sine A by cos A. Okay, so which is equal to this one in the numerator 1 minus sine A by cos A. I am rewriting in this format. This one, both are having cos A as common, no, in the denominator. So I take that as the common LCM. Cos A 1 plus sine A. This is 1 minus sine A, 1 plus sine A. What is the formula for A squared minus B squared? A plus B into A minus B. Here in the place of A we have 1. In the place of B we have sine squared A. So 1 squared minus sine squared A is equal to 1 plus sine A into 1 minus sine A. 1 squared is 1. Okay. So 1 minus sine A into 1 plus sine A is 1 squared minus sine squared A by cos A into cos A. It is cos squared A, which is equal to 1 minus sine squared A by cos squared A. What is 1 minus sine squared? Sine squared A plus cos squared A is always 1. So cos squared A is equal to 1 minus sine squared A. So on substituting that, we are getting cos squared A by cos squared A. After cancelling these two, we are getting 1, which is our RHS. So hence we proved. Hence we have proved the given result. Come to the next one. We are going to prove this problem. Cot A minus cos A by cot A plus cos A is equal to cosecant A minus 1 by cosecant A plus 1. I am going to start from the left hand side, which is equal to cot A. How I can rewrite? What is cot A? Cot A is the inverse of tan. Am I right? What is the formula for tan A? Sin A by cos A. So cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. So this is the formula. So it is cos A by sin A minus cos A by this. This is also cos A by sin A plus cos A. Am I right? Now in both the terms we have cos A common. So I am going to take cos A outside both in the numerator and denominator. After taking that, we are having 1 by sin A minus 1 by cos A into 1 by sin A plus 1. We can cancel these two terms. 1 by sin A is cosecant A minus 1 by, this is also cosecant A plus 1. That is our RHS. Hence we have proved the result. Now these are some problems which were asked in the previous year question papers. Okay, we are going to discuss them. If given 2 tan A is equal to 3, we are going to find the value of this expression. Okay, so in terms of tan A, they have given the value and we are going to find what is this thing. Okay, so first we have to convert the given term. This in terms of tan, we can substitute that value here. Okay, so from the given term, what is given? 2 tan A is 3. So what is tan A? Tan A is 3 by 2. Okay, so now we are going to take this term. 4 sin A plus 3 cos A by 4 sin A minus 3 cos A. Both the numerator and denominator, I am going to divide it by cos. So 4 sin A plus 3 cos A by cos A divided by 4 sin A minus 3 cos A by cos A. Okay, it is the common denominator we are having. We can split this as 4 sine A by cos A plus 3 cos A by cos A divided by 4 sine A by cos A minus 3 cos A by cos A. These two will get cancelled. These two will get cancelled. This is tan A and this is also tan A. Am I right? So which is equal to 4 tan A plus 3 by 4 tan A minus 3. So we have converted this in terms of tan. Now we are going to substitute tan is equal to 3 by 2. So 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4 into 3 by 2 minus 3. So this is 2 and this is 2. 6 plus 3, 9. 6 minus 3, 3. So it is 3. So the answer is 3. So the answer for this problem is 3. Next problem. Given 3 by 4 tan squared 30 degrees minus this term is equal to, we have to find, not given, we have to find this expression value. This is quite easy since we know all these values. From the table we have to get the values and we have to substitute everything and we have to find the answer. What is tan 30, secant 45 and sine 60? So what is the values are tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 and tan 45 is equal to root 2, sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. On substitution of the values in the given expression, 3 by 4 and this is 1 by root 3 the whole square minus root 2 the whole square plus root 3 by 2 the whole square. So 3 by 4 into 1 by 3, 3 will get cancelled, minus 2 plus 3 by 4, that is 1 by 4 minus 2 plus 3 by 4. We can add these two since both are having 4 as the common denominator. So 1 plus 3, 4 by 4 we can cancel, so finally it is 1. When we add these two we are getting 1 minus 2, so minus 1 is the final answer. So expression given is minus 1. The next one is they have given sine theta plus cos theta is root 3. We have to find what is the product sine theta into cos theta. We know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is always 1, right? The given term we are taking, given sine theta plus cos theta is root 3. Squaring both sides. So sine theta plus cos theta the whole square is equal to root 3 the whole square. This is a plus b the whole square formula, which is a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Okay, so sine squared plus cos squared plus 2 sine theta cos theta equal to, squaring this is 3. Sine squared plus cos squared is 1. Am I right? So it is 1 plus 2 cos theta, 2 sine theta cos theta is 3. So 1 if you take to the other side, it is 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to 3 minus 1. So which is 2 sine theta cos theta is 2. We can cancel. So sine theta cos theta is 1. So we got this as 1. Come to the next one. If sine alpha is equal to 1 by root 2, cot beta is equal to root 3, we have to find cosecant alpha, cosecant beta. What is given? Sine alpha is 1 by root 2. We have to find what is cosecant. What is cosecant alpha? 1 by sine alpha, which is 1 by root 2, which is root 2. So we got cosecant alpha as root 2. We have to find what is cosecant beta. we know this. What is the equation we know? Cosecant squared beta is equal to 1 plus cot squared beta. This is a relation already we know, right? When it is cosecant beta, it is root of cot squared beta. So cosecant beta is equal to root of 1 plus cot squared beta. So this is root of 1 plus cot squared beta, which is equal to root of 1 plus root 3 the whole square. Root of 1 plus, what is root 3 the whole square? It is 3. So root 4, it is 2. So this one we got as 2. So now we have to substitute everything here. Cosecant alpha we got as root 2. This one as 2. So the answer is root 2 plus 2. Okay. The next one, actually this is the last problem in this video. We have to prove tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So we have to prove this result. We don't have any definite formula or definite rule for proving such kind of results. Whatever formula you have gone through, you have studied, you have to think by yourself and you have to apply. There is no strict rule for proving all such kind of problems. We have to think by ourselves. Okay. So I'm going to take the LHS. So tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Okay. We know that secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan squared. So secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This only we are going to substitute in this one. Okay. So which is equal to tan theta plus secant theta. This I am considering as a single term minus for this one. I am going to take, now I said the formula, no. What is that? 1 is equal to secant squared minus tan squared. For that I am going to replace here. Secant squared minus tan squared theta by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. We know the formula for a squared minus b squared, no. What is a squared minus b squared? It is a plus b into a minus b. So which is equal to tan theta plus secant theta minus secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Both the terms are having secant theta plus tan theta common. So we can take that outside. Secant theta plus tan theta and secant theta, tan theta plus secant theta both are equal. A plus b is equal to b plus a. When addition, we can change the terms. So tan theta plus secant theta plus tan theta both are equal. So I have taken that outside. Here we have only one term. After taking that outside, we have 1 minus of this term. Secant theta minus tan theta by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Isn't it? Now, see this term 1 minus, when you multiply this minus, no, 1 minus secant theta minus into minus plus tan theta. So tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So we can cancel these two terms. Both are same. The order only here it is changed. But both are same only, so we can cancel it. After cancellation, we are having tan theta plus secant theta. Tan theta plus secant theta means tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Both are having cos theta common denominator. So cos theta can be taken as a common denominator. Sin theta plus 1, which can be written as 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. That only we have to prove, right? So we got the RHS. So hence it is proved. Clear? So we have gone through all the introductions in trigonometry. Is it clear?